I think painting in the way that I approach it is about capturing light. You're working with a 2D flat surface and you're trying to emulate a kind of an architectural space, and so you're naturally playing with light and shadow. My content, because of its location or where it's situated in the tropics, in North Queensland heat, that's a very important part of transportation. The way that the capturing of light in a particular way can send someone to the other end of the country. It's really important to locate the work in that way. I just feel like it's also quite a theatrical way of working. It's a staging and a mise-en-scene, a way to create a non-space, a space where anything can happen. This sort of high contrast of light and shadow offers that kind of cinema.